Hello, my name is Marie George. I'm the product specialist and technical dispatcher for RapidFire by FreeMyIT. In this tutorial, we're going to be discussing how to search and sort. We've touched on briefly on searching and sorting in a previous tutorial, but this one is going to go into more detail. Because RapidFire offers so many refined search features, it's important to know that you're utilizing the software to its fullest potential. We're going to go over how does RapidFire search and sort so quickly, as well as why is this so beneficial to a support desk. There's many searching features in there, such as the live search box, the research box, the contact search box. So we'll be touching down on those things, as well as also discussing how we can pull up configuration information that's stored in Autotask on any given client, as well as access the knowledge base for research.
To start off, the reason why RapidFire works so quickly when it comes to searching and sorting is because when you first launch the program, the first thing it does is caches everything locally. So when you go to do the searching, everything is running in real time. The first thing to familiarize yourself with would probably be the sorting feature that allows you to arrange the tickets here in the direction that you want. It works very similar to Outlook, just has that same feel. You can arrange by up here, create date, by priority, resource, status, just any of these, just select them and it shuffles all the tickets. Now keep in mind, when you're shuffling the tickets around in this queue, it has to do with what is selected over here in the navigation. So technically I'm arranging by only what's in the new ticket queue. So this is not going to be pulling up all tickets. Also, just remember, if you had set up any exclusions through your settings, that searching and sorting will not sort everything if you have it in the not excluded status. It's only going to show what you don't have excluded. If you need to see all tickets, just drop down that bar, go here and click all tickets. The next thing I would talk about is probably the live search feature here. This is one of my favorite things. Basically, it just takes everything that's in this queue and you can just search within it in just real quick time here. Like for example, if I'm looking for a ticket by Lara, there's Lara's ticket. Let's say I'm looking for a ticket by CarTech. There's 3 tickets by CarTech. You can also search for things within the descriptions of them as well. Like I see here for a new request. See, all sorts of things are pulling up from the descriptions. Well, let's type some stuff there, but I think you get the general idea of it all. If you have your configuration items set up in Autotask, you can actually run a query on your configuration items within tickets in RapidFire. Let's say that we're looking for CarTech's print server. So I've got a CarTech ticket open over here on my right side, and I'm going to go down here to this configuration items tab, and I'm going to run a query. I believe the print server has the word PRT inside of it. Click over here, go, and there's CarTech's print 01 print server. So anything that you have set up in your configuration items in Autotask can be ran within here. The only thing is that the query runs on the reference name. So if you remember partial parts of the reference name, that's how you'll actually find it inside of that box there. We actually built in a couple other buttons up here inside of RapidFire to help you reference things such as the configuration items as well as the knowledge base. We have the account detail button up here as well as the knowledge base button right here. Basically what happens when you click on those is it will open up the knowledge base within your Internet Explorer browser, and then you can search anything how you normally would if you were inside of Autotask. Same goes for the account detail button right here. It's just going to pull up all of your configuration items without having to do the jump through. You don't have to go into CRM, click accounts, click on the account you're looking for, then go to configuration items. This actually will drop you straight into the configuration items of the ticket that you're currently viewing. So we're looking at CarTech 123 right now. So if we were to click the account detail button, it'll actually drop us straight to the configuration items for CarTech. We built in another button up here called the research button inside of RapidFire. This one's a really great feature. For example, if you're working on a ticket and you're thinking to yourself, like, man, I really remember working on that a long time ago, and I know that I had placed a workaround somewhere in my notes or put a link to a website or something along those lines to fix the problem. You're trying to find it real quick. That's what this research button is up here for. This is going to search through your description, through your like the small description inside the ticket, the actual body of the ticket, any external notes as well as internal notes. So I'm just going to run something real quick here. Let's see if I can find anything with the word, I guess we'll say MacBook. Let's say I'm working on a MacBook issue. Go. What this is doing is it's going to search through all the tickets, pull up the notes, and anywhere that you see something that references the MacBook, it's going to highlight it there, and then just show you where it's been referenced, the ticket number, and how you can find it in the regular. So you can see how it just kind of highlights tons of references to MacBooks. You can do this for anything. I highly suggest not searching for something generic such as printer or things along those lines, because what ends up happening is you're just going to get tons and tons of tickets that pop up with that in their descriptions. Glad I got to show you some of the searching and sorting features. Just keep in mind some of the arrange by stuff. I think it'll be really beneficial for any help desk just to understand that you can sort things by their priorities and dates. Just depending on what you do on a help desk, it can make a huge difference as to how you grab the next ticket within the queue during your day. Also, it's just really important to have that kind of speed there, especially contact lookup when you're trying to get a hold of somebody quickly, trying to fill in contact information, anything along those lines. Just being able to have that speed to find it ASAP. I mean, it makes a humongous difference for those working on the help desk. Just the frustration of having to jump through so many loops just to find little pieces of information can just be painful. But also, it just really helps on the client end of things as well. They're just really happier when you're able to do things quicker and not waste so much time on the stuff that doesn't count, and just spending your time on literally their problems as more than just trying to do research and stuff like that. And the research speed is amazing as well, because you're looking at it from a perspective of, okay, you've got all these tickets coming in that might be duplicate issues of what you've handled before, and now you're able to find older tickets just way back to be able to answer these things quickly. I mean, why duplicate research efforts when you've already got the answers within your ticket notes, especially if your staff is really good at making detailed notes. So it just definitely buys back tons of time through the cache system. So we kind of went over a couple things, just how it retrieves information through detailed search options and sorting, and how it helps improve daily tasks, and how it makes clients happier. Also, it showed you how to arrange the queues according to different needs, as well as how to grab the client information smoothly through Autotask, as the contact lookup better and faster than ever. And that is one of the best things that is built into RapidFire, is that contact search, that live search feature. Being able to just type in the word and have the tickets shuffle accordingly just makes a huge difference at the end of the day. Really hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and hopefully you'll be looking at some more. We've got some new videos coming out soon, and enjoy.
RapidFire is a free MyIT product. If you are interested in RapidFire and other free MyIT products, please visit our website at www.freemyit.com. If you'd like to register, please go to the website, click on Login, then create an account. Getting support from us is easy. Just email us at support@freemyit.com. Thank you for watching the tutorial.